I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see around, this is a new setup. I am trying something new. It's not completely done yet. It will be done in the next couple of months. This is the very first video here. So you guys let me know your first impressions about this setup in the comment section down below. But anyway, today we're talking about the Oppo Enco M31 wireless earphones. Suddenly there has been this huge wave of audio products in India. All these companies, Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus, Oppo, are launching their audio products like true wireless earphones and neckband earphones. I myself have reviewed a couple of them like the Realme Buds Air, Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 and even the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. If you missed those reviews, don't worry, I'll link them in the description box below. But today, I have the Oppo Enco M31 over here and these earphones are probably the best under 2000 rupees right now. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Oppo has a very good audio background. So they used to make very high-end amplifiers, like I'm talking about very high-end amplifiers which were very expensive and very good as well. So Oppo has that audio background and that's why these earphones are so good. Oppo knows how to fine-tune the audio and that clearly shows in this product. For the price of rupees 2000, these earphones are incredible. Let's start by talking about the design and build quality. The design of these earphones is pretty basic. These are normal neckband type earphones with an in-ear design. That means you do get replaceable ear tips inside the box. By default, you'll get the M size, but if that doesn't fit you, you have the small and large options available. So no matter what your ear size is, you will get the perfect fit every single time. Now I really like the fit of these earphones. They are very comfortable and after about 5 to 10 minutes, you won't even realize that you're wearing earphones and the fit is just very comfortable. So when it comes to the comfort, these earphones get a very big thumbs up from my side. One design choice that I do not like is the placement of the buttons. These earphones do come with all the buttons, volume up, volume down, a multifunction button which can be used to play or pause your music or also to pick up calls and end calls. These have all the buttons, but the placement is not that good. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z have the buttons on the wire rather than the neckband, but these earphones have the buttons on the neckband. It's not that big of a deal, but I feel that OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z have a better implementation when it comes to the buttons. As far as the build goes, these earphones are pretty basic. Nothing exciting over here, very basic build quality. They are mostly made out of plastic and it's not the most premium feeling out there. Build quality is just okayish. Now fun fact, I really like this color combination. So these earphones have this aqua color with golden touches here and there and that looks really awesome. I love this color and Oppo has done a very good job when it comes to this color. Alright, moving on, let's talk about the pairing process. The pairing process is fairly simple. You just need to turn on these earphones. And by the way, these earphones are very smart just like the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. They don't have a physical on-off switch. They have magnetic controls and once you magnetically attach them, they will switch off. And after you remove them, they will switch on. So they don't have a physical button and this is a very smart implementation. So once they are not magnetically attached, they will be switched on and then you need to go to your settings and pair them once. Once you pair them, the next time they will automatically connect to your smartphone and that is very smart. So when it comes to the pairing process, it is very simple and this magnetic control helps a lot. It also works when you're listening to music and if someone comes up to you, you can remove these earphones and magnetically attach them and your music will stop playing. So this feature is just like the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z and also a lot of other neckband earphones have this feature. Magnetic control is excellent and it works as advertised. Okay, now it's time to talk about the main thing with any audio product and that is the sound quality. How do these earphones sound? Before I talk about the sound quality, let me tell you that these earphones support the LDAC codec. LDAC codec is a very high quality codec which was developed by Sony and is available in every Android phone after Android Oreo. So if your phone has Android Oreo and above, it will support LDAC, and that is excellent. So if your phone supports LDAC, you can buy these earphones because these earphones also support LDAC, and because of that, the sound quality is excellent. The overall soundstage is very wide and the sound is very clear. What do I mean by clear? The sound separation is excellent. You can hear the individual instruments, even the instruments which have very low intensity, you can hear them clearly, and that's why you get a very good experience overall. I would say these earphones are excellent when it comes to listening to music. If we talk about the low end or bass, it is just the right amount, and even the mids and highs are very clear, and that's why the overall soundstage is very balanced. I would say the sound quality is very balanced and clear. Other brands out there like Xiaomi, Realme and OnePlus need to make a note of this. This is how you fine tune an audio product. This is how your phones should sound. The sound quality is just incredible. These earphones also have something called as the bass mode. Now when I switched to bass mode, I did not have the best experience. It felt like I'm sitting in a hollow room and the sound was echoing a lot. So I did not like the bass mode at all. I would not recommend you to switch to bass mode. You can listen to music in the normal mode and that works excellent and just fine. Now let's talk about latency. So these are wireless earphones and you need to connect them via Bluetooth. That's why the latency is obviously more than a pair of wired earphones. If you want to play games on these earphones, the latency is actually noticeable. So if you play games like PUBG, you will notice the latency, and that's why I would not recommend you to use these earphones for playing PUBG. If you want to play PUBG, buy the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, or even a pair of wired earphones would be the best option. So these earphones are not the best when it comes to the latency. What about battery life? So with the LDAC codec on all the time, I got about 6 to 7 hours of music playback, which honestly is not that much. But the sound quality does make up for it, and these earphones also have fast charging via the USB Type-C cable. So 6 to 7 hours of music playback is good enough, but definitely not the best out there. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z are way better when it comes to the battery life. So if you want a pair of earphones which have great battery life, look somewhere else. These have just normal battery life, nothing exciting over here. Now some people out there were concerned about one thing, and that is call quality. But let me tell you, I did not have any problems while making calls with these pair of earphones. I made like 10 to 12 calls and no one on the other side complained about bad audio quality. Neither did I face any issues while hearing the other person. So when it comes to the call quality, I did not face any issues. Overall, I would say for the price of rupees 2000, the sound quality on these earphones is just incredible. These are the best sounding earphones in this price point, and I think Oppo gave this price by mistake. If they would have kept the price about 4000 rupees, even then the sound quality would have been excellent. So yeah, when it comes to the sound, these earphones are unmatched, at least till now, and you can definitely go ahead and buy them. I am definitely recommending these earphones to you. Anyway, that's been it. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe below. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.